Ever wondered how to make homemade pistachio ice cream? Well, today we're going to unravel this delightful mystery together. Let's start by introducing the key players in our culinary endeavor. We have 1 cup of shelled, unsalted pistachios, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 5 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Our journey to make the perfect homemade pistachio ice cream begins with toasting our pistachios and grinding them into a fine powder. We then create a warm, creamy base with our heavy cream and milk. Next, we whisk our egg yolks and sugar into a thick, pale mixture. After that, we gradually infuse our cream base into the egg yolk mixture and let it simmer until it thickens. Finally, we add our ground pistachios and vanilla extract to the mix. In the next scene, get ready to toast and grind your pistachios. First, toast 1 cup of shelled pistachios at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. This process brings out the rich, nutty flavor of the pistachios, enhancing the overall taste of our ice cream. Once they're toasted to perfection, allow them to cool. It's important to let them cool before grinding to prevent them from turning into a paste. Now place the cooled pistachios into a food processor and grind them until they're finely chopped. Next up, creating the creamy base for our ice cream. Now heat 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk until warm. Remember, do not boil. While our dairy mix is gently heating, take 5 egg yolks and whisk them with 3/4 of a cup of sugar until they're thick and pale. Gradually introduce this warm cream and milk mix into your egg yolk and sugar concoction. Return the whole lot to the saucepan and cook on a low heat until it thickens. With the creamy base ready, it's time to add our star ingredient. Stir in your ground pistachios and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There's a delightful dance of flavors happening here. The pistachios toasted and ground lend a rich nutty profile that's perfectly balanced by the sweet floral notes of vanilla. They meld into the creamy base, transforming it from merely sweet to undeniably decadent. It's a vibrant combination, a delightful symphony of taste that's sure to impress. Now for the final steps: chilling, churning, and freezing. Your homemade pistachio ice cream is just a few steps away from perfection. Refrigerate the mixture for at least 4 hours, then churn it in your ice cream maker for 20 to 25 minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to meld and the mixture to chill thoroughly, resulting in a smoother, creamier ice cream. Proper churning incorporates air into the mixture, giving it that light, yet decadently rich texture we all love in a scoop of ice cream. Freeze the churned ice cream for 2 to 3 hours and then it's time to serve your homemade pistachio ice cream. Enjoy!